What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is made by Benks. It has some nice curved edges, it's scratch resistant, it's explosion proof, and it's also easy to install. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and see what you get inside the box, then I'll show you how easy it is to put onto your phone. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have our installation instructions. Looks like you get an installation packet for 2 installations. Here we have some tempered glass for our back cameras. And we also have 2 tempered glass screen protectors. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your installation packet and take out all your accessories. First we need to clean off the screen, make sure there's no dust. Then we'll go ahead and take one of our drying cloths and just wipe down the screen, make sure it's nice and dry. Now if there's any dust on your screen, you can use your dust removal stickers. Looks like we have some pieces of dust on the screen here. Then what you want to do is take out the screen protector that's in the guide. Now be aware on this guide, it does have a label that says top, so you're going to want to put this towards the camera in the earpiece. Okay, once you're ready for the installation, you're going to want to peel off the bottom part here and make sure you don't touch the bottom of the screen after you do so. And we're going to go ahead and just lay this over the top of our phone here. Once you do that, we'll go ahead and press down a little bit. Okay, once it's pressed down on your phone, you're going to want to slide your finger across the middle here and then slide your fingers down both of these sides. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and lift up on the screen here. Okay, and there we have our installation. I did see some bubbles just around the edge, so you're going to want to take your wipe and wipe around the edges to make sure that it's down all the way. Looks like a very nice installation so far. Go ahead and turn on our phone. All right, looks pretty bubble free to me. Very nice installation. Oh, there's a couple just very tiny ones at the bottom that I'm sure we can work out. But it is a full coverage screen protector, and I am a huge fan of the full coverage. And just so you can see, I was able to get those few bubbles out that were on the top here. Beautiful installation, no problems. Very nice. So let's go ahead and test out our touch. Touch is working beautifully. Camera, front camera seems to be working just fine. Very clear. Touch, very nice. Feels just like the glass that was originally on the phone. No touch issues. Let's go ahead and check out some fingerprints. I see very, very faint fingerprints. So the anti-fingerprint coating's working really well. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put a case on this. See how well that works out. Very nice. So the screen protector comes right up to the edge of my case here, which is beautiful because that'll keep, all the dust out. Very cool. And as you can see, there's still leaves room for a raised edge on a case that you might use. Very nice. So that works perfectly well with the case. So now I have some Mo's picks here. We're going to test out the scratch resistance of the screen protector. These tempered glass screen protectors typically scratch around a 6 and get worse with 7, 8. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a 5 and we'll see what we get here. Okay, so here we're going to start off with a level 5. Then we're going to move on to a 6. All right, let's see if there's any damage here. So from what I can tell, there was no damage at a level 5. There are slight, very slight scratches. They're right there. Ever so slight scratches at a level 6. So not bad. I've definitely seen a lot worse on other screen protectors. So for this, it's going to get worse as we go on to a level 7 and a level 8. The grooves will just get deeper. So if you have this screen protector in your pocket or something with some keys, some change, you shouldn't have to worry about any scratches from that. Then we'll go on to a level 7. So I didn't go on too much with level 7 because, as you can see, there are those deep scratches right there. You can barely see the 6 next to it, but the level 7 you can definitely see. And that's typical for the screen protectors. Like I said, this does actually better than a lot of the other cheaper screen protectors that I've seen. At least it barely scratches at a level 6. All right, so let's go ahead and try out the camera screen protectors. Go ahead and take our alcohol wipe and clean off the back really well. I'll go ahead and just peel this off. Okay, once you peel it off, make sure you don't touch the back here. And then we'll just kind of place this over our camera bumps here and just press that down. Go ahead and clean that off. All right, so there you go. There's our camera protector. As you can see, it adds just a little bit of extra bulk to the phone. We'll go ahead and put the case back on and we'll see how it impacts that. Fits perfectly fine. And as you can see, the case comes right up to the camera's edge. So it'll definitely protect your cameras really well. We'll go ahead and take some pictures, see what it looks like here. So here's a couple pictures that I took with the lights on and the lights off, just so you can see that the camera lens is not impacted by the screen protector. All right, so the pictures actually came out really well. There was no blooming that I saw from the camera flash, as you can see from the pictures that I took. I think that works out pretty well. So if you want to protect your camera in the back, you can definitely use these protectors. I don't see that it has any effect on your pictures, so that's definitely a plus. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the scratch protection for the back lenses. Again, we're going to go ahead and start off with a level 5. So I don't see any scratches there so far. Going pretty good. So then we'll go ahead and move on to a level 6. So I see just some faint scratches, as you can see right there, from the level 6. So we'll move on to level 7 now. So here we are at a level 7. Yeah, so I definitely felt that. There, as you can see, there are some scratches here from the level 7, which is consistent with its screen protector for the front of the phone, which is definitely a good thing. Okay, so now we're going to test out the explosive resistance of the screen protector with this 2.4 ounce steel metal ball from about 20 inches. We're going to drop it through the tube and we'll see what happens to the screen protector. So here we go in about 3, 2, 1, go. So if we look at the screen protector, it took that like a champ. No damage except for that little divot on the center there. At least you know it's not going to just shatter on you. Okay, so now I've added a little piece to the tube here to make it an even 2 feet. So we'll go ahead and see what happens to the screen protector now. In 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, there's still only that little dot in the middle, so it is holding up perfectly well. It's equal to some of the higher end screen protectors, so no shattering yet. Okay, so now I've raised it up even higher to 2.5 feet, So we'll go ahead and see what happens now. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. 2.5 feet. As you can see, it's gotten hit in 2 spots now. There's absolutely no shattering, no cracking. I am thoroughly impressed with the screen protector so far. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that this is actually 3 feet. Super impressed. This is probably the most that I've seen one of my screen protectors hold up so far. So we'll go ahead and see what it holds up to at the 3 foot mark. Okay, here's the moment of truth. 3 feet in 3, 2, 1. Still no cracking, no shattering. This is definitely holding up to what they say it is. Alright, just to show you guys, I had to move my camera all the way back. And as you can see, it's just a little above 4 feet. This is the most I can go. This is the most any of the screen protectors that I've tested have gone. We'll go ahead and see how well it performs. Alright guys, here we go, moment of truth. This is 4 feet. In 3, 2, 1. So it actually took 4 feet for this screen protector to finally crack. So definitely thumbs up for this screen protector. It's the most protective that I've ever tested. At 4 feet, no other screen protector has held up this far. All I can say is, wow, guys, I really have to commend Benks on their screen protector here. They did an excellent job in finding a balance between scratch protection and drop protection. Scratch protection on this screen protector is definitely better than a lot of the other cheaper screen protectors. And as far as the drop protection goes, none of the other screen protectors that I've tested, and I've tested quite a few, have lasted up to 4 feet of drop protection. So Benks, 2 thumbs up, definitely. I would definitely recommend getting the screen protector, and if you guys want to pick it up, again, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.